DashCam, a rare and underdiagnosed disease that gets worse over time. Learn more at connecttoyourheart.com. That's connecttoyourheart.com. Sponsored by Pfizer.
9:28. Let's get the latest on the traffic troubles out in Fairfield. Ted?
Yeah, we are still looking at this slowdown, 80 westbound, west of Red Top Road. That's right where you'll start to slow down due to an accident blocking a lane. It's only about a mile of slowing, but once you get past it, you're right back up at the speed limit. In the other direction, 80 eastbound, things are improving. You're going to slow down, right after Travis Boulevard, and then it's going to be slow to Manuel Campos Parkway. There's been some road work in the area, but it is overall an improving situation. Also, upper deck of the Richmond-Santa Fe Bridge, starting to see a little bit of fill-in, 580 westbound heading towards mid-span. Have not seen anything come in, so if you know about anything, let us know on the phone force, 415. Next update, 9:38 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
KCBS Bay Area weather forecast. Lots of sunshine out there right now. We have highs ranging, or expected highs ranging from the 60s to lower 70s, coast and bay, up into the 90s inland. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening, then becoming mostly patchy fog at the coast, which we had some of this morning, and we still have a little bit out there. It'll be clearing, though, inland later as time goes on. Lows in the mid-50s to mid-60s for tomorrow. Mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy, patchy fog, sunny and warm in the inland valleys, highs upper 50s to lower 70s. Traffic and weather together on the 8s of All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
The following is a commercial announcement.
There's nothing like hearing the songs you love on local radio with no subscriptions and no monthly fees. But there's a bill in Congress that could stop the music. If passed, this bill would tax your local radio station simply to play the music you love. Text LOCAL to 52886 and ask Congress to support local radio stations. Help us keep you connected to the music, local news, weather, and traffic that you need each day. This message furnished by the National Association of Broadcasters.
News that matters to you. Around the Bay, around the world, around the clock. All News 106.9 and AM 740.
Wired curriculum in California schools.
I'm Mike DeWald in Marin County, where a member of the January 6th committee is down about what comes next in the investigation.
I'm Eric Thomas. CBS News is next.
CBS News Brief. Flash flooding could be on the way in South Texas and northeastern Mexico. CBS's David Parkinson explains.
We have potential tropical cyclone Ford. That is right now headed for a landfall in Mexico in the next several hours. But it is the combination of that and the remnants of what we were calling 98L. Big weather story as we start next week.
What's next for former President Trump's response to the FBI search of his Florida estate? CBS's Natalie Brand.
Two sources close to former President Trump say that his legal team is thinking through how to handle security.
20 people are dead in Somalia and 40 others are wounded after Islamic fell in that nation's capital. There was an hours-long exchange of fire with security forces at the extremist group Al-Shabaab has claimed responsibility. CBS News Brief, I'm Allison Keys.
KCBS News Time 9:32. Despite a reprieve from public hearings, the investigation by the January 6th committee continues to move forward, but that's movements in the background. KCBS's Mike DeWald spoke with a member of the committee for a preview of what's to come.
While there may not be any primetime hearings on the docket, Representative Adam Schiff says the January 6th committee remains busy.
Work very much continues. We just had another meeting of our members to discuss next steps. We are contemplating additional hearings.
He says hearings offering new footage, new witnesses, or simply just recommendations are all under consideration. Schiff appeared in the Bay Area for a pair of events to promote his latest book. He caught up with the Southern California congressman in Marin. He says recent comments by former Vice President Mike Pence piqued his interest.
I was glad to hear that he was open to testifying before the committee. He certainly has very relevant information. He was the focal point of a pressure campaign to get him to ignore his constitutional duty and somehow unilaterally decide he was going to reject electoral votes from certain states.
In the wake of an FBI investigation into top-secret documents in possession of former President Donald Trump, Schiff says he's concerned about the former president's public statements.
We've got people putting on body armor and getting assault weapons and going to an FBI building to shoot the building, and we're shooting people in the building. It's just reckless, and it's putting people's lives at risk.
In Marin County, Mike DeWall, KCBS.
Reading, writing, arithmetic, and financial literacy? KCBS reporter Megan Goldsby tells us about the new requirements some state leaders are hoping to add to California's high school curriculums.
It is already the case in other places, says the superintendent of public instruction, Tony Thurmond, taking classes on your finances in order to graduate from high school.
Many states have a requirement, and California is one of the few that does not.
But he says there is interest. We could see legislation introduced to this effect as soon as early next year. Until then, the number of financial literacy classes has been growing across the state and can continue to expand now that Thurmond has secured an additional $1.4 million specifically for financial literacy classes that will be added to the more than $3 billion in grants for public education in the state budget.
And a very high cost of living, a lot of poverty, and there's a lot of challenge, and we believe that these are tools that will help to maybe even engage them in ways that will make them more excited about what they're learning in mathematics, science, and other subjects.
So while officials may be working on a new requirement, this money is training new teachers to offer financial literacy courses this school year.
What I'm grateful for is that in California, while we don't have a requirement, we just make a mandate without any resources to do this.
Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
Use abortion bills for students, and it has nothing to do with the Supreme Court ruling overturning Roe versus Wade. The story from reporter Chris Seaton.
It stems from a bill signed into law by Governor Newsom 2 years ago, requiring the two systems to offer abortion pills no later than January 2023.
Even though the timing is interesting with the legal decisions stemming from the Supreme Court, we certainly have been planning this for a long time.
Dr. Cindy Shorsman is medical director of student health at UC Davis.
The full range of options is presented to them so they can make the best decisions. If they decide to proceed with medical abortion, then they do proceed at that visit.
University systems have committed to offering access to abortion pills by the January 1st deadline.
An update on traffic and weather together coming up in 2 minutes.
Get a cash offer for your car, truck, or SUV today at your local Bay Area Chevy dealers. Selling has never been easier. Just bring it into a Bay Area Chevy dealer, get a free appraisal, and we'll make you a cash offer on the spot with no obligation to buy. We buy any make or model. Find your local Chevy dealer at BayAreaChevroletDealers.com.
Beth Miller Rowe is the Bay Area's reverse mortgage specialist with over 35 years experience. Beth offers a variety of reverse mortgage programs such as FHA insured home equity conversion mortgage and even jumbo reverse mortgages. Whether you own your home outright or have a loan against it, a reverse mortgage may provide financial freedom to better enjoy your retirement years. Reverse mortgages have changed so much in the last 10 years. Now is the time to call Beth at the Reverse Mortgage Group at 925-969-0380. Beth is located here in the Bay Area, offering free consultations in a friendly, professional, no-pressure atmosphere. Call Beth at 925-969-0380 or go to callbeth.net. Borrower must pay property taxes, insurance, and HOA dues, and live in and maintain the home. NMLS 294-774-1850-831612. Licensed under the Department of Business Oversight under CRMLA.
Here, thinking about road tripping to the family reunion. Potato salad, doing battle with the sun, dog crawling all over the cousins, and nothing brings us closer than someone squished in the middle seat. Well, it's a good thing Motel 6 has clean, comfortable rooms at a great low rate. They'll get you out of that minivan so the kids can get all spiffed up before Grandma starts pinching their cheeks. I'm Tom Bodette from Motel 6, and for you, drivers who switch and save with Progressive save over $700 on average, and those savings add. Imagine what you could buy in the future.
So yes, I used the savings from switching to Progressive 50 years ago to finally buy my dream car. It's a self-driving flying car, but we just say self-flying now. You know, because it's the future, and cars fly in the future.
So switch to Progressive and save big because those savings could add up in the future. Insurance company. Average insurance savings by new customer survey to save with Progressive in 2020. The Tennessee savings rate.
Back to Fairfield for a traffic check.
The off-road accident here blocking the left lane, and it's got you slow for about a mile, but after that things do pick up. In the opposite direction, 80 eastbound, we did have some road work out of Fairfield heading towards Vacaville, but overall that's improving situation. It appears they've picked up that work, and traffic continues at a faster rate, but you will still be riding your brakes a little bit. Vallejo 37 west, heading towards Sonoma, you'll see some. That's pretty normal for a Saturday morning. We're starting to see more filling on the upper deck of the Richmond-Santa Fe Bridge. We don't have anything specifically causing it, but just more and more people out and about as we get later into the day. Altamont Pass, we do have a high wind advisory span between 580 or on 580 in between Livermore and Tracy, but we're not seeing any slowing caused by that. And we're finally starting to see some slowing 17 south out of Campbell into Los Gatos, but that's pretty typical. Your next update, 9:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Well, look, go here in San Francisco's financial district and see nothing but beautiful blue sky out there. We're supposed to have lots of sunshine this afternoon with highs ranging from the 60s at the coast to the lower 70s bayside into the 90s inland. Partly cloudy this evening, then becoming mostly cloudy, patchy fog at the coast. Inland will begin to clear out a bit later on, lows in the mid-50s to mid-60s. And for tomorrow, mostly cloudy in the morning, then becoming patchy fog in the morning as well. Sunny and warm inland, highs upper 50s to lower 70s into the low 90s inland. Traffic and weather together on the 8s on KCBS.
When you pursue an associate degree for transfer at a California community college, you're on your way to earning your guaranteed safe spot at a 4-year university. Start on the path to success and enroll before classes fill up at icangotocollege.com.
What's the problem with getting something for free?
I just feel guilty about it.
Guilty?
Who does that anyway, give away something for free?
S&G Carpet during their buy two, get one free sale? Look, we're going to go to one of S&G's big showrooms, check out samples of carpet, waterproof core, hardwood, and laminate.
Wow.
They'll come over and measure with a laser and guarantee their installation for life. Think of it like you're getting 1/3 off. To buy 2 square feet of select flooring, and S&G gives you one for free.
So I have that to spend now.
What?
Well, I saved
No,
1/3.
No, you're looking at this
S&G's
wrong.
buy two, get one free sale saves me 1/3, so now I have that to spend.
You don't feel guilty spending what we saved?
Yeah, no.
There's no guilt in saving 1/3 off select carpet, waterproof core, hardwood, or laminate during S&G's buy two, get one free sale. Plus, they'll beat any written estimate by 10%, and the price they quote is always the price you pay.
S&G more than carpet.
Go to sgcarpet.com for the showroom nearest you, or to have their mobile showroom come to you.
I'm Danger, a maestro of fear, skilled at scaring you into buying insurance. You've heard my work. It's my job to tell you.
Your tactic has been interrupted by AAA Insurance for a special offer. Buy a new AAA auto and/or home insurance policy to enjoy up to $376 in savings and get a $100 gift card with purchase. With savings like that, AAA doesn't need scare tactics. AAA, outsmart life. The gift card offer is valid on qualifying policies in California only. Visit AAA.com/promo for terms.
Nature Valley has helped restore access to 10,000 miles of national park trails, and we're on our way to restoring even more, because every mile is a new memory. Life happens out there. Nature Valley.
KCBS News Time 9:42. It's not just back to school. For Apple employees, they're being asked to come back to the office at least 3 days a week. What about other employers and companies? Here's KCBS's Alice Wirtz.
During COVID, anyone who could work did. But now as the pandemic eases, many employers want workers back in the office.
We got a taste of working from home and flexibly.
Jennifer Brown is founder of the workplace strategy and consulting firm, Jennifer Brown Consulting. She says some employers simply don't have the luxury to work from home.